Confluence has a lot of native integrations with a lot of different tools, but guess what? Working with the Office products like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, that's not something Confluence can do very easily, very natively. At least, not being able to let you edit those files. Yeah, you can upload them, but you can't do much with them other than look at them, and that's not very helpful. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at ikuTeam's Office for Confluence, and I'm going to show you how their application is going to finally let you edit your Office files inside of Confluence and be able to share them with the rest of your team. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's jump in. Confluence is a great collaboration tool, but old habits die hard. And a lot of our coworkers, no matter how much we want to use Confluence for all things collaboration, they still want to go back to their Office tools. But when you try to put your Office products like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint inside of your Confluence, especially in the cloud, you really can't do much other than just upload them. And this starts to create multiple versions of our files, and we don't have a single source of truth. So in order to fix this, we're going to use the link down below in the description to start a free trial to ikuTeam's Office for Confluence. And this is going to allow us to basically collaborate and edit in real time our Office files. So make sure you use that link down below. Let's jump in. So once you've used the link down in the description to install Office for Confluence, then you're going to have two ways to invoke the macro. You're either going to be able to come up to the plus button here and type in Office, or you can do a / command here and type in Office as well. And the ikuTeam Office is the one we want. So go ahead and click on that. And this is going to bring us into our Office editor section. We can click on the upload button as well. And we just simply find our files. And so I'm just going to find one here. Here's my bootcamp. I'm going to click on open. And this is going to upload our files into a central repository that we can then use to interact. So here you can add your Word files, your PowerPoint files, your Excel files. And so we're just building kind of a repository. When you're ready to actually use a file, simply select it. And then you're going to get a little preview over here on the right-hand side. So you can expand this preview here. And then it's going to load the preview. You have the options to modify your layout, so you can make it regular, compact, or hidden. You can customize the width and the height of the file. You can customize whether it's expanded or collapsed. You can also sort it by date or name or type or size. So you have a few options here. I'm going to leave the defaults, but feel free to play with the options that you think are going to be best for you. And you have a few different options here on the left. Now, over on the right, we will see the preview of our file. We'll take a look, see if this is what we want. This is exactly what we want. And so when you're ready, just simply click on insert. So this right here is going to insert the actual file into Confluence, but it's not just a view-only file. This is a file that we can edit, we can share it, and anybody in your team that has access to this Confluence page can come in and edit it. So it's going to be very powerful from that perspective. So once it's in here, I can simply expand it. Again, these are options you can set up at the beginning when you're doing the import. And then anybody in your team can simply come in, click the edit pencil, and now you can edit this particular file. And so this saves us from having to create different versions of the file. So we can just simply come in here and start typing in, this is my new version, right? Whatever you want to put in there, and then it's automatically saved, right? Your other team can come in here and collaborate in real time. Multiple people can come in, change the file, edit the file, work collaboratively, and all the changes are automatically happening and saving for you. You can even download it as a different file type as well, but just know that it's all happening behind the scenes. And notice that we also have the rest of the Office look and feels. So as you can see, I can scroll through the entire file. I can share this file with the rest of my team. Everybody can swarm in on this file and edit all at the same time. We don't have to go anywhere else. It all happens natively in here. No Microsoft license is required. That's probably one of the best parts is everything happens and it's encapsulated here. And that's okay. And this is actually a really good thing because so we don't have to worry if somebody has a Microsoft license or they have access to the file. It's all just encapsulated within your Confluence. And so all the real-time collaboration is going to happen in here. And so remember, this works with all your Office files like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So if you want to be able to edit your Office files, your Word, Excel, and PowerPoint all within Confluence in real time collaboratively with no Microsoft license required, then use that link down in the description to start your free trial to Office for Confluence by ikuTeam. And one more thing, if you're a Jira user, ikuTeam has the Office app for Jira as well, so check out both links down below.